And so here it is. Yeah, clutch pedal truck. Nothing comes out easy. Well, hey guys, welcome back. Chuck House of Mopar. I'm going to do something that I don't want to do today. I'm going to the junkyard. I have a window of opportunity, about 3 hours, maybe 4, depending when I get there, to get something, get some stuff. It's about 27 degrees. So I went to the yard yesterday getting parts, stuff for that. And I always check the second gen Dodge trucks. Well, guess what? I found this. There's a 96, I think, 5-speed truck, 2-wheel drive. I may or may not bring the tranny home. We'll see. See you in a minute. So you guys seen the Blues Brothers, right? Oh. At the end, the whole Chicago Police Departments chase them, and then they get on the elevator and they slowly go up the... Stand there and everything's cool, elevator music's playing, and they get off the elevator, they run like hell again. That's me. I'm on the elevator right now because I'm an idiot. I should have checked to see when the stupid place opens. 9 o'clock. It's 8:20. It's gonna cost me some time. We'll see what I can get done. So I bought this cheesesteak. I'm at a gas station over here on Hall Street in St. Louis, Missouri. Yeah, coffee was kicking in. I needed to find a place there a minute ago, and I went into the bathroom there, and they got the toilet seat the lid padlocked down with 2 padlock hasps. Damnest thing I ever saw. I don't know why somebody steal the water tank thing. So I got me a coffee. I got a cheesesteak that doesn't look half bad, and I'm gonna wait. Talk to you folks for a minute. Plan ahead. Okay. So here I am. See, I don't know if this road's been cleared or if they're clearing the road. They're probably, I don't know. I'm probably doing this in a hurry because for no reason. So here it is. Yeah, clutch pedal truck. Nothing comes out easy. So I'd actually grab the throttle cable, and because you never know. And then the bracket, I don't know where the bracket, I got it off another truck. The bracket for the throttle cable. Because you don't know. And what I want, somebody's done some heavy lifting already. There's a bracket on each side of the truck. I thought I could get at them from the side. That ain't gonna happen. My fender's on this side. Yeah, whatever. I don't know if the drive shaft's on here or what. One thing about it being 30 degrees, there's no mud. Drive shaft's gone. I'll need one of them. The big problem, guys, is just getting this cross member out. That may not happen. And if it doesn't, I'll be back later on with a floor jack next week. We'll see. I've got better. Oh, geez. Well, that's nice. That ain't cool. Damn, what the hell? They got these nice stands they put these things on. I guess if it falls, it'll only fall in the back. I don't think I'm gonna necessarily be showing you guys a play-by-play thing here. Just because. All right, I'll show you what I show you. Here we go. Okay, it's going remarkably well. Other than these GoPro batteries do not like to be cold. That one's showing full. I had a couple things I thought were going to thwart me, and then I was just going to say, screw this shit, I'm out of here. Forgot this had to move. Exhaust. Somebody's already been in here and they cut it, right? See up there? All right, so I got a bolt loose, it came out. Next thing was the oil filter. I'm like, oh, they're ANFW. but it was loose. They drain these things, I guess. So I borrowed this thing from these guys, the jack, the tire under here, and the next thing was that the trans mount has got a hanger for the exhaust. Well, everything came loose, guys, so far. So now I'm gonna go take the shift tower off, and I'll knock this out, and they are friction fit, you know, they go in like that, they sit down in, and drop that trans, and then get an extension and do the top bolts. Now this is about parts. Well, see how far I can get before this battery dies. I'm having some success. Yeah, these things weigh about 100 pounds. Got her loose. Got her loose, got her out. And yeah, I'm about an hour into it. Little hour and I don't know what. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm done. I don't know what time it is. Let me look. 11 was my plan. It's 10:54. There's that trans, guys, NV3500 earlier version with the you know, speedo gear down there. I have no idea if it's any good. I'm not going to take it. You can get shift towers. Somebody destroyed the damn, not me, the really cool shifter boot. I did manage to get all of my tools, and what I get, the trans cross member. I'm going to get the cross member there. I can't have the flywheel, the cover there. I'll show you all the stuff when I get back. But got a couple of cool things for the kids for Christmas. Got me a nice little level, and I don't have to do any Christmas shopping. Got an Elmo thing. Yeah, there you go. All right, let me get the hell out of here. All right. Okay, next day. That went remarkably well. I'm very happy. Happy. Let's see what we got here. So, let's start over here. Like I said, I was at the yard getting parts for my daughter's ex-car, now my car. Anyway, and I check out the second gens, and sure enough, by God, there's a clutch truck in there. So I had hoped to find just what I found. These are from a 90, I don't know what year it is, but it's 97 earlier. The clutch master cylinder goes into there, and it twists. 98 and up, it's round in some kind of, I don't know, locking ring on the front. Because if I'm ever going to do a 5-speed swap with a Magnum engine into that, it'd be nice to have some factory stuff, just cut down on the bull crap. I don't know if this will all go in. I don't know. You can't win if you don't play. These things, I paid $27 for this. These guys are getting $200 and up for what you're looking at. So I figured, yeah, why not? If you want a clutch truck, get something factory, and then, you know, you got a brake switch. You got a factory cable. Of course, this is the end that goes to the throttle body. That's not so great, but you I thought there was a, anyway, yeah, whatever. I got the slave cylinder grommet that goes through there on that side. I kept the clutch fork. They say this, yeah, the bracket, of course, that'd have to be adapted. Over here, keeping with the factory theme, I got this cross member, and because it certainly won't just go in, but all of that in the middle is compatible with everything else, right? So we'll move up here to the trans mount. The rubber part is all the same on these trucks, which is that right here. Okay, but what isn't is this top part that bolts to the trans. There's four of these. There's automatic, manual, 2-wheel drive, automatic, manual, 4-wheel drive. What I understand, I don't know any differently because I've only ever had the stuff that came off these trucks. Kept the bolts, Them go there. Everything's getting bagged and tagged and thrown in a bin. Flex plate bolts, flywheel bolts. Sure, you can buy them, but why screw around? You know, there's, how much is that ship for these? Minimum of 50 bucks, right? These are all of the bolts for the flywheel. These are on the back. These are the two in the front. These are actually for the brackets that go up. These, I don't know where the hell they went. They came out of there. They're long as hell. Kept the slave cylinder studs. I got a starter stud because the engine I got, I don't know if that's on there. So what I'll do is I'll pick up the nuts and the other starter bolt from another truck. But I didn't get, I got the flywheel cover. These things I think you can still get at Chrysler. So there's a bracket. This is the faces forward. So there's a bracket that goes from here to the engine and from here to the engine. Those were gone on that truck. I would like to, an automatic truck will work. Now what I will do is get them off of a similar year. I don't know why they thought they needed them, but you know, when I swapped my truck over, they weren't on there. I put them off the old one. The inner boot for the shifter, I took that. A lot of this stuff, guys, they don't even care about. That was free. Of course, it's junk, but it's mostly intact. It's not ripped there. I don't know if I'll ever use this. There should be more there. The dude that was trying to get the shifter off before, he's the one that ruined this, and the really bitchin' boot that goes with it. What? Toolboxes are put away. Stuff's put back where it belongs, sorted. That's it.
Woohoo! Stop the presses!
Yep, stop the presses. I did a thing. Yeah. I couldn't leave that transmission go to the scrap heap. So I brought it home, cleaned it up, and it seems like it works good. I cut off the seal back there so I could twist it. Everything seems to work. This is how I bought a tranny for my 96, and it's working. Can't tell you what's going on. It is a 97 and earlier. This came out of a 96 5.2 truck. I got one stripped out deal here, and needs a helicoil for the shift tower. The upper boot is mangled a little, and you can get new ones of these. In fact, you can buy an entire new shift tower should you wish, because this rubber is also included in a new shift tower. Why? I already said why I brought this home, but yeah, they're just not making them anymore, clearly. But guys, I'll sell this one. Somebody already messaged me once saying that if I wanted to sell one of my trans, I don't have but one left now. And mine is the newer 98 and up with the Speedo gear that goes to the rear axle. So yeah, I cleaned it up on the outside. The inside looks great, seems to spin. I got 2 quarts of Pennzoil Synchro Mesh in there, which is what I run in my other trans, and evidently you're running this. So if you want this, I'll leave a price below next to my email. You do get the shifter handle that, you know, goes with it. And I'll also throw in the there you go. And I'll also throw in, of course, the clutch fork that I took off of this when I first went to the deal. Anyway, yeah, I spun it over with some fluid and turned it over, because these are basically a splash deal inside. I think it takes about 4 quarts. Anyway, yep, that's the thing I did. So if nobody wants it, it'll just go sit next to the other one. I don't care. Let my kids worry about it someday. Anyway, back to the rest of the video. Yeah, my videos are not going to be coming very fat once a week. That'd be cool if I could, but I'm running out of time. I'm running out of ambition. And I'm running out of jobs too, but you know, I'm not going to create crap. But it is winter, and that's what we do here where it snows, is just winter projects. Guy I know, he lives in South Texas, says we could drive all the time. I'm like, later on, I'm like, you know what? I don't want, you know, I'm good with working on crap in the winter. Big job. So yeah, I think floor pans. Well, I don't think. I bought one, driver's side. Yeah, I did. Future Chuck, this afternoon Chuck is, you know, I've been getting stuff for this thing. I love driving this car, 5-speed car, peppy, whatnot. Got a hood, because this one's hammered. And, you know, I paid like 40 bucks for a black hood that's good versus 110 for one that I still need to be painted. So yeah, I piddle. I enjoy stuff, keeps me out of the bars. Anyway, that's it. All I got, I guess. Thanks for watching. See you next time.